Good afternoon. My name is Freddy Vasquez. I am a Spanish teacher in Columbus, Georgia. I teach Spanish, a middle school Spanish teacher. This is my fourth year teaching Spanish, even though I've been in education for 11 years. My undergrad is in physical education, which I did for 8 years until I was awarded a Spanish position. A little bit about myself. I'm happily married, have two kids. I love education. I want, my goal is to be in the school administrator, which is why I'm taking this class and why I'm in this curriculum. Things about school community. Good afternoon. My name is Freddy Vasquez. I am a middle school Spanish teacher. At the moment, I've been in education for 12 years. This is my 12th year in education. My undergrad is in physical education but for the last 4 years, I've been teaching Spanish, 2 in high school, and the last 2 years I've been teaching middle school. A little bit about myself. My goal is to be a school administrator, assistant principal at first, and then hopefully in the future become a principal. I love what I do. I love teaching. I love students. I love kids. School community relations is a very important topic to discuss because without the community, there is no school. Without the kids, there is no teachers. There will be no teachers. There will be no school. So relationship between the school and the community is very, very important, especially in the inner cities, or like myself, I teach at two. I'm split between two schools, two middle schools in the county due to low numbers of Spanish teachers. So I teach at two Title I schools with 100% free and reduced lunch. So it's very important to have to build those relationships with the students and with the student parents, to let them know that you care, that you are there. Doesn't mean that necessarily is going to the parents are going to agree with you, or you'll be surprised how many parents you email or you call and they answer the phone and they back you up on whatever you ask, whatever you do. So I think it's very important. Communication with parents is very important. I use an app called Remind. I can send texts to students. I can send texts to parents about assignments, about homework, about projects, about anything that I want to send to remind them about a test on Friday or something. So those are some things that I do. I try to email parents if I have any discipline problems. I try to call them as much as I can. So other than that, I'm really excited about this course. I'm really excited about um, graduating hopefully in May. So it's good and nice to meet you guys, and can't wait to learn from everybody. Thank you.